Some memories disappear quietly, not all at once, not dramatically. A face becomes unfamiliar. A name slips away mid-sentence. A moment from yesterday dissolves before the brain can hold it still. And deep inside the skull, something invisible is happening. Every memory you have exists as tiny electrical patterns moving between brain cells. Billions of neurons communicating through fragile connections called synapses. The strange part is this: your brain was never designed to remember everything. For a memory to survive, the connection must be used again and again. If not, the brain slowly removes it, like an abandoned road disappearing under dust. Inside a structure called the hippocampus, memories are sorted constantly. Some are marked important. Others are quietly erased. The process happens every second. Even now, stress changes this system first. When the body enters survival mode, cortisol floods the bloodstream. Heart rate rises. Muscles tighten. The brain shifts its priorities. Memory becomes less important than survival. Under prolonged stress, the hippocampus begins to struggle. Signals weaken. Connections become unstable. Small details disappear first, then entire moments. Sleep changes everything again. While the body lies motionless, the brain becomes strangely active. Electrical pulses replay events from the day. Important information is transferred deeper into long-term storage. But the brain also deletes things during sleep. Not by accident. On purpose. Scientists now believe forgetting is part of normal brain maintenance. A controlled biological cleanup process. Without it, the brain could become overloaded with useless information. Your mind survives partly because it forgets. Aging introduces another problem. Blood flow slows slightly over time. Some neural pathways become less efficient. Communication between neurons loses speed. The memory may still exist, but reaching it becomes harder. This is why people sometimes recognize a face but cannot remember the name attached to it. The information is present. The pathway leading to it has weakened. Then there is the hidden influence of the body itself. The stomach communicates constantly with the brain through nerves and chemical signals. Certain gut bacteria help produce neurotransmitters linked to mood and memory. Even poor sleep after heavy meals can subtly affect memory consolidation overnight. The throat plays a quieter role. Every breath delivers oxygen the brain desperately depends on. Though the brain makes up only a small portion of body weight, it consumes enormous amounts of oxygen and energy every minute. Without stable oxygen flow, concentration and recall begin to decline surprisingly fast. And still, the brain keeps changing. Every conversation rewires microscopic connections. Every repeated thought strengthens certain pathways while others fade into silence. This means some memories are not truly lost. They become buried behind weakened signals, hidden beneath newer information, temporarily unreachable, like voices trapped behind thick walls. Modern brain scans reveal something unsettling. When people remember the same event repeatedly, the memory itself can slowly change. Details shift. Emotions reshape it. The brain edits its own archive. Memory is less like a recording, and more like reconstruction. A living process. Unstable. Selective. Imperfect. Which raises an uncomfortable possibility. But here is the real question. If your brain is deliberately deleting memories right now, what has it already decided wasn't important enough to keep? Follow for more, because your brain has secrets it will never tell you. And we are just starting to uncover them.